What is Tally? Why Tally is useful? To know this, you need to stay with me from the beginning and to the end of this video. Hello friends, this is Amitabh, your teacher. Welcome to my channel Tutorials Hub Tally. Now let's start about today's topic. As we all know how we maintain the accounts in double entry system. But all of us know that if there is some difference in the trial balance, then we have to consume so much time and energy to find out that reason of difference. Tally is the solution of all those problems. In Tally, as we enter the transaction, that transaction is duly posted in ledger and also enters in the trial balance. That transaction is duly recorded in trading and profit and loss account and balance sheet also. If we want to see the trial balance or balance sheet after some transactions, then we have to click only some keys so we can say that Tally solve our so many problems. Tally is a financial accounting software package designed mainly for small and medium businesses and shops. Tally software is used by over 2 million users in 90 countries. Tally is a complete business accounting and inventory management software that provides various facilities like government supported formats, multilingual operations, online functions and processing for small and medium businesses. Tally is an accounting software that is designed to integrate and automate all your business transactions. Every business has various processes which can range from simple to complex. As your business grows, acquires new customers, and enters new markets, you need to maintain highly accurate and up-to-date accounting and inventory records. Accounting software such as Tally helps you to simplify, integrate, and streamline all your business transactions in an easy and cost-effective manner. It comes in various enhancements to make handling and processing of business transactions even easier and quicker. It can handle the accounts of more than one company simultaneously. It is very simple to use and allows you to enter data in various formats. In addition, you can view information of any period, compare data across companies and financial periods, maintain account details and generate reports. It maintains all the primary books of accounts like cash book and bank book. Tally maintains all registers like purchase register, sales register and journal registers. Tally maintains all statement of accounts like balance sheet, profit and loss account and trial balance. Cash flow. In cash flow statement, we see the flow of cash, that is the inflow and outflow of cash. Stock statement. In stock statement, we maintain the proper record of all inventory. And last is ratio analysis. A Tally can maintain outstation reports. It may provide complete bill-wise information of amounts receivable as well as payable either party-wise or group-wise. It can provide a report for a particular date or reports for any range of dates. It provides the facility of bank reconciliation. We need to install a Tally.Erp 9 by default, in which program files required to run Tally are saved. The user can specify the location of the data directory to save these files and install the program file on any drive. It does not take more than a minute to install Tally.Erp on the local hard disk and uses up only about 40 MB of space. You need to have a basic hardware requirements to run Tally.Erp on a computer system. A system must have a Intel Pentium 4 or higher processor, a 256 MB RAM or more as a memory, space of 40 MB minimum excluding the data of free hard disk, and it's recommended to use 1024 into 768 pixels as monitor resolution. In order to install Tally.Erp on a computer, you must have sufficient user rights so that you can make necessary changes during the installation process. Also, ensure that the operating system you employ supports Tally.Erp for multilingual support. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep supporting me like this. Please share my videos with your nearest one. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.